One of these guys is about to lose $20,000, and he has no idea. Robert leases a car. Michael buys the same car. Same price, same dealership, same day. They both think they made the smarter decision. They're both wrong. Because the real cost of this decision doesn't show up in the monthly payment. It shows up years later. And when you actually run the numbers, the gap is way bigger than you think. If you're thinking about leasing or buying a car right now, this one decision could quietly cost you $15,000, $20,000, even $25,000, and almost nobody sees it coming, because almost nobody looks past the monthly payment. One of these paths has a finish line. The other is a treadmill. And by the end of this video, you'll never look at a monthly payment the same way again. So let's slow this down and actually walk through it. Let's keep this completely fair. Robert and Michael both earn $55,000 a year. They both want the same car, a $30,000 sedan. Same model, same trim, same color, same dealership, same day, same salesman. The only difference is what they sign. Robert signs a 36-month lease, $2,000 due at signing, $299 a month. The salesman leans in and says,
"Honestly, this is a great deal."
Low monthly, brand new car, full warranty, and in 3 years, you just hand the keys back and walk away. No stress, no hassle, no commitment. Simple. At least, that's how it sounds. Michael goes a different route. 60-month loan, 6% interest, $3,000 down, $522 a month. That's $223 more every single month. You feel that instantly. It's heavier. It feels like more risk. So let me ask you something. Right now, what would you choose? The lower payment or ownership later? Most people stop thinking right here. And that's exactly where the mistake happens. On day one, Robert feels like he won. Lower payment, more breathing room, better cash flow. He drives off the lot thinking,
I beat the system.
but here's what he doesn't realize. Every dollar Michael pays is buying him a piece of the car. Every dollar Robert pays is renting it. And over time, that difference compounds. Quietly. Relentlessly. For 3 years, Robert is living the dream. Brand new car, that new car smell, full warranty. If something breaks, covered. No stress, no surprise bills. Everything is predictable. And psychologically, that feels amazing. Michael, completely different experience. He's paying $522 every month and watching his car lose value. $30,000, then $27,000, then $23,000. And here's the part that really hurts. He still owes more than it's worth. Ever had that feeling like no matter what you do, you're not getting ahead? Like you're putting money in and somehow falling behind? That's what being underwater feels like. And it messes with your head. But here's the thing about being underwater. It's temporary. The loan keeps shrinking, the car keeps depreciating, and at some point, those two lines cross. The moment they cross, Michael owns more than he owes. Robert never gets that moment. Not once. So let's look at the scorecard. 3 years in, let's see what each of them actually paid to drive that car. After 3 years, Robert has spent about $12,700. Michael has spent over $21,000. On paper, Robert is winning by about $9,000. $9,000. That's not a rounding error. That's a vacation, a semester of tuition, a down payment on something else. And this is where most people stop the analysis. But here's where everything changes. Robert's lease ends. Now he has 3 choices: buy the car, walk away, or lease again. What do you think most people do? About half lease again. And for many, it becomes a habit that never breaks. So Robert resets everything. New car, new contract, new down payment. Same monthly, back to zero. This is where that $20,000 gap starts forming. And most people are completely blind to it. Michael, he's 3 years into a 5-year loan. He's tired of the payments. But he has something Robert doesn't, an end date. Every payment moves him forward. Robert goes in circles. That's the real difference. One path has a finish line. The other is a treadmill. Month 60. Michael makes his final payment. Done. The car is his. No more payments. Robert, still paying, still leasing, still in the cycle. Let's fast forward. Year 6. Robert has spent around $25,000 and owns nothing. Now, here's where the math gets interesting. A car doesn't depreciate at the same rate every year. It loses the most value in the first 2 years. By year 3, the curve flattens, which means Michael's car is losing value much more slowly now. The expensive depreciation already happened. He wrote it out. Robert just keeps absorbing that steep early depreciation over and over again. Every new lease, every reset. He takes the worst hit every single time. Michael has spent more up front, but now owns a car worth around $12,000. So his real cost, closer to $22,000. That's where it flips, and most people never even notice it. But we're still not done, because the lease doesn't end at the monthly payment. That $299, that's just the entry price. At the end, you get the real bill. Mileage fees, wear and tear, disposition fees. And here's the crazy part. Most people don't even know these exist until the very end. Think about this. How many miles do you drive every year? Most Americans drive about 13,500 miles. Most standard leases allow 10 to 15,000 miles, but the cheapest deals cap at 10 or 12. See the problem? That difference turns into a bill, all at once. Now, let's be honest. Buying isn't perfect either. Once the warranty is gone, everything is your responsibility. Brakes? You pay. A C dies in summer? You pay. Transmission? That's a bad day. And that unpredictability is what scares people. Leasing feels safe. Buying feels risky. But here's the truth. Risk fades. Cost doesn't. Because over time, depreciation slows down. Maintenance becomes predictable. And eventually, payments disappear. Leasing never does. Now here's the number most people completely ignore. Once Michael's loan is paid off, Robert is still writing a check for $299 every month. What if Michael invested that instead, every single month for the next 5 years? At a 7% average return, that's over $21,000, built from money Robert is handing to a dealership. This is the invisible side of the lease trap. It doesn't just cost you the car, it costs you the wealth that money could have built. Now stretch this out, 10 years. Robert leases again, and again, and again. Total spent? $45,000, maybe $50,000. Michael spends about the same, but still owns a car and has been building a side investment. That's a $15,000 to $25,000 difference from one decision. Now multiply that over your entire life. That's 6 figures. Gone. So the next time someone shows you a $299 monthly payment, ask them one question. Where does this end? Because one of these paths has a finish line. The other keeps moving. Robert is still paying. Michael bought his last car payment 5 years ago. The decision felt small. The math was not.